Feather Nape and Body Razor Kit. Jatai Feather Nape and Body Razor Hair Clippers, Trimmers and Groomers. New Deluxe Chrome Razor and Brush Stand. I just recently got this Deluxe Chrome Razor and Brush Stand, the best safety razor stand, as a gift for my husband, as his bristle brushes always end up falling apart. This is caused by him sitting the brush up on its end, which is really the only way to leave it when you don't have a stand like this to hold it nicely with the bristles down so the water drains out of it nicely. So what ends up happening when you stand them on their base is that the water stays inside and rots out the bond that holds the bristles to the handle. So this should stop that. His current brush has a handle circumference that is too large for this holder, but since it is pretty much dead, I figure I will get him a new brush too. I will just pay attention to the circumference of the handle. This is nice and heavy and will not topple over easily and seems like great quality. I don't feel like it will rust, but of course only time will tell. Pretty happy with this so far. I should mention I received the Deluxe Chrome Razor and Brush Stand, the best safety razor stand, at a discount, as BJM were seeking reviewers to give their opinion on a new product. I rely on Amazon reviewers to help me decide on what I buy, and I am pleased to be given the opportunity to help you today. Rest assured the opinions are my own and I was not required to give positive feedback. If you found this review helpful, please let me and Amazon know by choosing yes at the bottom of this review.